Hello everyone, my name is Abu Bakr Salim and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss a very important concept in C language, which is if statement. If statement is a decision-making statement which is used to implement conditions in a program. So whenever you want program to do something depending on the user input, you can use making. And if statement is an example of decision making statement. So let's start. Let's suppose there is a variable and the name of the variable is age, and user is going to enter the value of this variable, and we want to print eligible if the age is greater than equal to 18. So if the age is greater than equal to 18, a message should be printed and that message should be eligible. So for that purpose, we are going to use an if statement. So first of all, we'll discuss the syntax of if statement. For that, we have to write the keyword if, and we have to put a bracket here. In this bracket, we are going to add the condition. So the condition here is a statement that will decide that either the program will print eligible or it will print nothing. Okay. So for that, I'm going to write the condition, and the condition is going to be age is greater than equal to 18. So this is going to be the condition, and it will either be true or false. And after writing the condition, we are going to put the delimiters. These delimiters determine the starting and ending point of this if block. And in this if block, we are going to write the statements that we want to print, that we want to execute when this condition is true. So let's suppose I want to print hello here. This is an example. Now, when I will run the program will prompt the user to enter a number. Let's suppose I enter 14. Now you can see this 14 is not greater than 18, neither it is equal to 18. So since the condition of if block is false, so when I will press the enter key, nothing will be printed. Why this has happened? This output is the program has not shown any output because the condition with if statement was false, and we use printf in that if block. So since this the condition is false, the if block will not be executed and this hello message will not be displayed on the screen. Now again, when I will run the program, and let's suppose I have entered 18 as age. Now when I will execute the program, a hello message has been printed. Why this has happened? Because the condition here is true. So since the condition is true, the block of if statement has been executed. So this type of programs are known as decision making programs, in which user enters something and program decides according to the user input, and it displays or executes the program accordingly. So whenever you want to perform something that include a condition, you are going to use if statement. So now I'm going to complete this case that if the age is greater than equal to 18, the message should be eligible. So this is the message that I'm going to print. Now when I will print the program, the message will be printed when I will enter 19. eligible message will be printed. I don't know the spellings of eligible are correct or not, but this will happen when the program will be executed. Now let's suppose I also want to print not eligible. For that, I can use another if statement, which is if age is less than equal to 18 or less than 18, because with equal to we have used eligible. So less than 18 is going to be not eligible, and I'm going to write printf not eligible. Now when I will run the program, the output is going to be different when the and input is less than 18, and when the input is greater than or equal to 18, the output is going to be different. So let's suppose I have entered 15. Now the output is going to be not eligible. This happened because the condition of second if is true. Age is less than 18 is true, so not eligible message has been printed. But when I enter 21, now since the first condition is true, the first message has been printed. So this is how you can implement if statements in your program. So I think that you have understood the concept of if statement. If there is any question, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe the channel.